Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can set up picture profile on the Sony E10. So let's begin the video. First of all, if you don't know what is a picture profile, then in the simplest terms, it's basically settings within your camera that allows you to adjust different image parameters like gamma, color, and so on. So if you want to record raw video like in S-Log2, etc., and then want to color grade or edit later in post editing, then you should use the picture profile. Like this video is recorded in raw, and when I add the color settings, you can see you have the colors in the video. So the same concept is with the Sony ZV-E10. Another thing is that this camera can record in 8-bit video, so I think S-Log2 is the best settings, but obviously you can set up your own profile as well. In order to change the picture profile, there are two ways. First of all, if you click on the function button, now here you will have the option picture profile. If you select it, you can select any of these different picture preset profiles that Sony provides you. If you do not see the option right here, you can click on menu. Make sure that you are in the first page or chapter. Now we're going to go to page number 8, and on the bottom you will see picture profile. So we're going to click on picture profile. Again, you can select any of the presets that Sony provides, as you can see right here. And if you want to edit any of these presets, click on the right button and you will have different options, like you can adjust black level, gamma, black lemony, and all these other options. So you can see it is currently set to S-Log2 and so on. So yeah, you can change these settings according to your need. I am not going to go into details of these, but yeah guys, in this way you can set up picture profile on the Sony ZV-E10. Now if I just simply go back, here you have the camera, and basically picture profile 8 is set it up for this particular scene. And I think so we can see it from here. If it is not showing here, just click on the function, you can see picture profile 8 is selected. So yeah guys, this is how you can set up picture profile on the Sony ZV-E10. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.